In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Notion. Notion, as you probably know, is a powerful tool that helps you keep your thoughts, tasks, and information organized in one convenient location. Now, duplicating a database might not be something you do every day, but knowing how to can really streamline your workflow when you need to replicate a set of data without starting from scratch. Whether you're setting up similar projects, creating templates, or just need a security backup before making changes, duplicating a database can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open the page in Notion that contains the database you wish to duplicate. Make sure you're on the right page and can see your database clearly. It's important to know that databases can come in various forms like tables, boards, galleries, lists, timelines, or calendars. Regardless of the type, duplicating works the same way. Once you have the page open, the next thing to do is to hover over the database. As you do this, keep an eye out for the symbol. This appears as a 6-dot handle on the left side of your database. It might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for accessing additional options related to your database. This handle typically appears when you move your mouse or pointer over the database, so if you don't see it right away, try adjusting your pointer slightly. Once the handle is visible, click on it. This action opens up a variety of options related to managing your database. One of these options is what you're looking for, an option that allows you to duplicate the database. Select Duplicate from the menu. This will create an exact copy of your original database, including all its current content and structure. The duplicated database appears directly below the original one on your page. It's a perfect replica, and now you have a second version that you can work with freely without worrying about altering the original. Duplicating a database can be especially handy if you're about to make significant changes and want to preserve the current state. It's also useful when you want to use an existing database as a model to quickly kickstart a new project with a similar framework. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a database in Notion. Remember, while this is a simple process, it's a powerful trick to have up your sleeve. It saves time and effort, especially when handling complex projects or data sets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to use Notion more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks to maximize your productivity in Notion.